Good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm on the best educational consultant. Thank you so much for watching and sharing my video. Yesterday, in the previous class, we discussed efflorescence. Efflorescence means process whereby if you expose a compound, it will lose the water of crystallization or all the water of crystallization. But the substance that loses that thing is called efflorescence. Now we are going to talk about deliquescence. Deliquescence is a process whereby a compound is exposed to an atmosphere, they will absorb moisture and turn into solution. They are called this deliquescence. The substance itself or the compound is called deliquescence. It's called what? Deliquescence. The compound is called Jamb is going on live. Deliquescence. You understand? So it is a process, a word whereby a compound exposed to atmosphere absorb moisture and turns to solution. It is called deliquescence. The substance is called deliquescence. The process is called deliquescence. So, John will ask you this question: the process whereby a substance absorb moisture and turn into solution is called ash. Jam question going on live on my YouTube channel. Deliquescence is a process whereby a compound exposed to atmosphere absorb moisture and turns to solution. I will give you a simple formula to know this. They are called desiccants. Their name is, Jam will ask you, the one that is called desiccant is called ash. Desiccant or drying agent or what? They are called desiccants. Jam will ask you this question live and direct. Jam question going on live and direct. Desiccant means they have a high affinity for water. They have a high affinity. They can dry. They have affinity for drying. That is what we mean by desiccant. They are used as a drying agent because of their high affinity for water. When they are exposed, they absorb water and form solution. Do you understand? So now, example are, see the formula to use and know them. See the formula. They are mostly chloride of iron 3, chloride of calcium, and chloride of magnesium. They are mostly chloride. You understand? That's number 1. 2, they are mostly hydroxide. I'm differentiating them from a forest. So that when Jam asks you, if you see chloride, they are mainly deliquescent in the option. If you see hydroxide, they are mainly deliquescent. But if you see the one with water of crystallization, they are efflorescent. You understand? Like in washing soda. Hydroxide has sodium and potassium. The only oxide present, know that oxide are mainly hygroscopic. You understand? Oxide. So the only oxide present in this one is phosphorus 5 oxide. Know this and know that is how to know them. Phosphorus 5 oxide. So when you talk about oxide, you're talking about hygroscopic stuff. You understand? Number 4, silica gel. So these are the deliquescence or deliquescent substance. So when we talk about deliquescent is a substance or compound that when exposed to atmosphere, they will turn to solution after absorbing moisture. You understand? But deliquescence is a process whereby if you expose that compound to the atmosphere, the compound will absorb moisture and turns to solution. Remember that those compounds are used as a word desiccant or drying agent because of their high affinity for water. Examples are mostly chloride, chlorides of iron 3, chlorides of calcium and magnesium. Once you see chloride in the option, anything chloride, mostly chloride, you know it's 30%. Once you see hydroxide, something like sodium hydroxide, potassium, it is talking about 30%. Oxide is talking about hygroscopic, but only phosphorus 5 oxide is talking about 30%. And silica gel. Thanks for watching.